All right, doing the unboxing for the 2021 14-inch MacBook Pro, the new model. Just taking it out the box, showing you guys what's in it really quick, and then my little quick thoughts afterward. So far, I like the design. What I like about it is that it's different, but it looks and it feels bigger to me, just because it's squared off. It's not tapered how it usually is, and then the big old sides for the speaker holes. It looks like it's speaker holes. It probably also helps with thermal regulation. I like the design so far. Like I said, just because it's not curved or tapered like the normal models are, it feels bigger, but it's pretty much the same. The MagSafe charger, the little thing with the stickers, and the block. So far, pretty happy with the decision to buy this. This is the upgraded model one. It's not the base model, so it's the next processor up, 16 gigabytes and the 1 terabyte SSD. I'm glad, they finally brought the MagSafe. That was a big thing for me. Not messing up the damn USB port all the time. And the best part, I guess, I would say most people are going to be happy about, it's definitely going to be the memory card and the HDMI coming back. That's a massive difference for a lot of people. So yeah, so far so good. I like it. The notch, like I said, again, some people are complaining about it. Not a massive difference in my opinion. Eventually people will get used to it, I guess, just as they did with the iPhone 10. But yeah, so far so good. Hopefully you guys like this little unboxing that I did. It's not really anything big or crazy, right? But it's cool so far. The only thing I have as a complaint for this right now is these freaking backlit keyboard lights. Like, I'm trying to lower it, right? Oh, here, I just turn off the whole thing. So turning it off and it's still lit, and I've looked in the settings. Here, let me put it in half. So I have it in half brightness. So I go to system preferences, I go into keyboard. So this was on by default, right? It says adjust keyboard brightness and low light. I just want it off, and it's already at 5 seconds. I don't know how to turn it off. I've gone through all the settings, I've checked everything. It seems like nothing's turning it off, so that's kind of weird. But yeah, other than that, I think it's great. I really didn't care for the old one. I'm glad it's just brought back to the traditional keyboard. The only reason I kept my 2015 MacBook Pro for so many years was because it still had the memory card and the regular USB. We're in the new day and age where we need the newer stuff, so I'm cool with that. But as long as they brought the memory card and everything else, I'm good. The only other thing that I would say is kind of like not crazy, but it's super thicker. Like, well, it seems thicker because it's more squared off. It's not like tapered, but I mean, so far it's good. I mean, can't complain too much, but glad they brought that back. The only thing that I'm trying to figure out right now, and I'm not gonna do it, but look at this freaking end. Like, it looks small, but here, let me see. Look at that. So I don't know if that's for the speakers or it's for heat distribution. Pretty sure it's for the speakers, but it's kind of big, so whatever. And the best part about it, in my opinion, is right here. Let me put it gently so I don't scratch it. The actual MacBook Pro, it's like it seems like it's engraved almost. Well, it is engraved, so that's cool. Something different. Yeah, but yeah, that's unboxing for it. I'll make a review video after I do some video editing on it, and we'll see how it goes. So if you guys like this video or anything more, want to see more videos like it, please hit a like or just send me other video suggestions. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.